Right, so this is just going to be a quick unboxing of the Kreg K4 starter kit. I thought this would make a good video because when I was first looking to purchase this kit, I wasn't 100% sure what you actually got with it. So if you was interested in buying this, then this should be a good resource for you to do some research. So as you can see, the packaging comes in a nice grey case to keep everything together, and you've got the cardboard outer packaging showing the different aspects of the kit. On the sides, we've got what you can actually use the pocket hole jig for cabinet making, edge banding, different picture frames and things like that. And on the other side, we've got what's included in the kit. We've got the actual jig itself, drill and driver bit with a depth collar, some plugs and some screws as well to get you started. We'll start off, just open up the cardboard. And there we have the case itself. Got the Kreg logo. So let's have a look what we get inside. Oh, it's actually packaged inside as well. So we got the quick start guide, so I can have a look through that, how to properly set up the jig and how to use it for different thickness of materials. We've got a skill builder DVD, so you can have a look at videos of how to actually use the jig. We've got the main body of the jig itself, which from first looking at it you can tell that it's made out of good plastic, really strong, sturdy. Got the measurements to set up your depth collar on your drill driver, and of course the metal inserts for the actual jig itself. And then we got a box of goodies. We've got the attachment so you can hook up your dust extraction or your shop vac to minimise the amount of dust. There's the pack of starter screws. That's handy. I did buy some extra screws just in case and for a project that I've got coming up. Got the depth collar, and that nut I believe is to go in this threaded section to adjust the height of the actual jig. We've got some wooden plugs to cover up the pocket holes when you've drilled them if you wanted to. In here we have got the drill bit. Let's show you what that's like. And there we have it, the Kreg drill bit. So you've got a larger shank with a smaller shank to actually start off a pilot hole into the next piece. It's just a hex bit going to any standard drill. I've also got the Kreg driver for the screws, square head, so it's actually, I haven't actually ever used a square head driver before, but I presume that it's a lot better than Phillips, because with the Phillips screws you can, the screwdriver will jump out of the head a lot, whereas the square will be a lot more sturdy and less likely to rip the head off the screws. This is the spacer block that you also get with the jig. And then you've got the clamp which fits on to the base with the 4 screws that are of course included in the pack, as you can see there, and that's to help clamp down the workpiece onto the base when you're using the jig. So that's it really, that's all that's in the box. But it's handy to keep it all in one nice box, and you can take it with you if you do any jobs outside your workshop. I am planning on doing a review of the actual kit once I've had a chance to use it, because I've never actually used one before, so this is my first time using one. So look out for that. If you are interested in this K4 Kreg jig, I'll leave a link in the description to where I got it from, because obviously being based in the UK, I did have some trouble finding it, being an American company and mainly done in the US, but it's UK based, so you don't have to pay any US shipping. Reasonably priced as well. So like I say, there's a link in the description to that if you want to check that out. If you like this video, you can give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, give it a thumbs down. If you can comment, subscribe, everything's a massive help. Even if you can share this video with your friends, that'd be brilliant. If you've got any questions regarding the unboxing or anything to do with the jig, just leave a comment to this video and I'll get back to you with the answer. Look out for the review video. Thanks for watching, everyone.